Good morning. Say good morning. Now, before anyone comes at me, which they like to do, she has just been swiveled round, okay? I wanted to talk to the camera for 5 minutes and I knew she'd lose her mind if she couldn't see what I was doing or who I was talking to, so she has been swiveled. This is the Maxi Cozy 360. It goes all the way around. It is incredible. Probably the favourite car seat that I've had, I think, for my babies. I'll try and remember the exact name and link it for you. But now that's out the way. How are we all doing this morning? I thought I'd come on and have a FaceTime, like I like to call it, because let's be honest, and any other sort of stay-at-home mums will know, this can be lonely and sometimes you just need a chat. And I've had one of those mornings where I just feel like I've been an absolute dragon. I probably haven't been. Actually, no, I kind of was. I know on my Instagram, like the mornings always look really smooth, and to be honest, I am pretty lucky with it. 9 times out of 10 they are pretty smooth, but then there are mornings when it just, and I don't know, I just lost it this morning. I don't know, I was just straw that broke the camel's back kind of situation. And then we all had a cuddle afterwards and it was all fine, but then you're riddled with the lovely mum guilt that we all carry around with us day to day. So that's fun. I'll be carrying that all day until I see them at 3 o'clock. But I was like, do you know what? I've felt a bit off since yesterday morning. It's Tuesday morning now. I woke up Monday morning not feeling quite right. I did mention it on my Instagram yesterday, and I haven't quite shifted it. So I thought, let's change it up, Peaky. We won't go home. We'll go to the shops. And we have come to one of the best places you could come to when you're in this situation. I don't have a home sense in my town. One day maybe I will, but this is where I live. This is by far the best place to just come and have a mooch. There is also a Starbucks across the road, so maybe we'll go there after, maybe. But I'm gonna stick her in the buggy. We're gonna go in and have a mooch. I'm gonna forget the morning that I've just had, or try to anyway. I also have a little DIY project that I want to do today, and I'm hoping that the range have got what I need to do it. If not, I'll walk across the road to the DIY shop. So yeah, a few little bits that we can do this morning just to change up our routine a little bit, get out of the house. It's good for her and it's good for me. So let's go. They've got all their Easter bits. How cute is she? Oh, look. I'm gonna have to stop myself, I think. I love all these. And the gingham wax burners. Oh wow. She's a beauty. What's that? Oh, stop. Oh wow. I've seen someone online that had a really gorgeous, like, little framed floral picture. There's similar things around, but not the one that I'm thinking of, and I reckon it's that gold framed botanical. That's a shame. Oh, that is pretty, isn't it? You'd look good in my living room. How much are you? Okay, we got what we needed for my little DIY project. So we just walked across the road. We're going to go to Starbucks and grab a coffee. I'll get her a little cake. She loves a lemon cake. Our Starbucks is actually in a Sainsbury's. So I thought we'd just come and have a look and see what's new in Sainsbury's as well. Oh my gosh, look at some of this. You're getting bored? I know. Oh wow. There are some beautiful, beautiful bits. Oh, look at that cardigan. Look at my back. Okay. Might have to get a couple of bits. I don't think I can just walk away. Okay. Feeling a little bit less like a terrible mother. Sorry, I was just putting something on Instagram. Feel a little bit better. Had a lovely little mooch, and she just ran riot in Starbucks, which she loved. I didn't really buy anything. I did get these in Sainsbury's for £6. She has said before she is obsessed with shoes. Like, she's got a real shoe and handbag thing. She's just a girl, right? So she loves to wear shoes, like, even in the house. Like, she's got her Crocs on at the moment. Can I have a look, Biggie? Like, yeah, she often just wears these around the house because she just loves to wear a shoe. She'll go get them and ask me to put them on her. So these soft sole ones are nice just for her to wear around the house. Obviously completely useless if you're going out, but cute to wear around the home. A bit better than wearing these Crocs all the time. I did get the one thing that I actually needed, which was this. I'm not going to say why. I'll show you in a minute. That's my little DIY project that I've got going today. I also wandered into, my friend kept telling me to go to this charity shop next to the range. I've never gone in there before because it's just furniture, and I just thought it was like beds and stuff. But she said, no, go in there, and there was loads. I could have bought so much. They had these gorgeous set of plates, which I keep thinking about and might go back and get. They also had a lovely side table. I'm looking to replace, I'll show you. I'm looking to replace this side table in my living room with a wooden one. I'm also going to change up the lamp, but that's for another day. I need to find the perfect one first. But yeah, there was a stunning antique side table in that charity shop for £30, but it looked quite big. So I took the measurements. Lovely lady in the shop gave me a tape measure. I took the measurements, and I'm gonna have a little play. And if I think it's perfect, I'll just go back and get it later after her nap. But I'm gonna set up my DIY project. Okay, here's what I'm up to this morning. So this is my loaf wooden tray that I have on my poof in my living room. I actually have two of these. So I've got this one, and I've got the one that's happily sitting there on my poof. So, hold on, she's climbing. No climbing. So anyway, these trays are stunning, and they fit perfectly for the poof because they're made by loaf, but the colour is just not quite right for the room. It's just a shade too light. So I'm going to attempt to stain it. Now, the reason I'm not worried about this is because I have two. So if it all goes wrong, it doesn't matter, because this is the faulty one. Basically, this one was faulty. It has a mark, it has a stain, like an oil stain on the other side. So Loaf kindly sent me another one. So if all goes wrong, I'm honestly not worried. The least professional setup you've ever seen in your life. I couldn't find any gloves. So sandwich bag and an old cleaning cloth. Okay. Guys, it literally looks the same. Literally the same. I did Google whether I'd have to sand it first, but they said, like, with this wood stain to just go for it. I'm gonna have to sand it down. Just put Blake down for her nap. I'm just gonna get the monitor. Managed to find some sandpaper. So I have given it like a light sanding. As sanding as I could with the sandpaper that I could find. And it's taken off like the top bit, I would say. So let's see. Still doesn't really look any different. I'll let it dry and do another layer, see if that does anything, but it's not really the outcome I was hoping for this morning. Honestly, not really sure what the universe is playing at today. This one now doesn't want to have a nap. I know when she doesn't want one, because she literally falls asleep in 2 seconds flat normally, and it'd been like 10 minutes and she was still stood up in her cot singing. So I've just gone up and got her, brought her back down. She clearly doesn't want it. Try again later, maybe. One of those, isn't it? One of those. I can't do much while she's awake anyway, so I may as well just sit on the floor and have a little play with her. Anyone else's babies just like to play with bottles? Empty bottles? Okay, she is asleep, I think. She ended up coming back downstairs, having lunch. So she was down here for a while. She just wasn't ready. Sometimes she sleeps before lunch. Sometimes she sleeps after. It can be different every day. So today was a later nap, which is fine. It just means I might have to wake her up to go to the school run, but that was her choice. Guys, I obviously have been ignoring my little DIY project because I've been playing with Blake and feeding her. But I turned around and I was like, oh, developed a lot, I would say. I'd say it's a lot darker. It's probably still like a couple of shades off where I want it to be. So I'm gonna leave it until it's bone dry and do another coat. But that is definitely darker. Let me go get the other one. Look at that. Definitely getting somewhere, aren't we? It's not perfect. There's a couple of marks, the stain where I am a bodge job gal, but hey, it's worked. But I'm happy with that because I thought it was a complete waste of time, and then I turned around and thought, oh, maybe not. Well, my sister-in-law suggested I keep the other tray, pop it under the sofa and use it as like a Lego building tray, which is genius. So I'm going to do that with the other one as well, so problem solved. She is definitely asleep. Yeah, she stopped moving, so that means I can have my lunch, and yeah, I'll have, by the time she gets up, I will go and get my boys from school, come back home and get on with mum things. But thank you for keeping me company today. I just needed a bit of a chat and a bit of a rant, a bit of a girly morning. I know there's no one talking back to me, but it's still nice just having a rant to the camera. I hope you enjoy the rest of your day. I am going to eat in peace, and I'll see you soon.